Hey, what's up everyone? This is the new update of PancakeStore. So this update is 1.2.2. So this is the latest release. So if you wanna downgrade your app, you can download PancakeStore and downgrade your app on iOS. So I'm on iOS 26.3, and now I'm downgrading my app using PancakeStore. So we've downloaded it now, guys, and we're gonna install it. So first let's open Stocks VPN, then open Site Store. Then we're gonna install PancakeStore. We need to click on keep extension. Now it's installing, everyone. As you can see, we've installed PancakeStore successfully. Now we can downgrade our apps. But first we will need to log in with our Apple ID and password for it to work. So that's it, guys. That's the updates to downgrade your apps.